Benefits of using urea in gardening. Join us as we uncover the benefits of using urea in your gardening efforts. This video will highlight how urea can provide essential nutrients, enhance plant growth, and improve overall soil fertility. Perfect for gardeners of all levels. We'll give you the insights you need to make your garden the best it can be. Don't miss out on these valuable tips. Poundering gardening, pound soil health, pound garden success. Urea is a popular nitrogen-rich fertilizer with several benefits for gardeners. High nitrogen content. Urea provides a concentrated source of nitrogen, which promotes lush, green growth, and boosts leaf development in plants. Cost-effective. It's an economical option, delivering high nitrogen levels at a lower price compared to other fertilizers. Easy absorption. Plants can quickly absorb urea once it's converted into usable forms, making nutrients readily available. Improve soil fertility. Regular use can enhance soil fertility, benefiting plant growth in the long run. Versatile application. Urea can be used directly in soil or as a foliar spray, giving gardeners flexibility based on their plant's needs. These benefits make urea a practical and effective choice for encouraging strong plant growth in gardens.